Hey, what's going on, guys? Shay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today and we gotta take a look at a plugged toilet. Hello. You guys have an issue with your toilet? I'm here to take care of that for you.
I didn't know firefighters were going to be coming.
Firefighters?
Yeah, the fire people came.
Why?
I don't know, something to the toilet. And it kept overflowing.
Where am I going here?
Right there.
Right here?
Yep. And it would back out. And it kept backing out until it was all over the place. Don't ask me.
Don't ask you? Gotta ask you.
Big sad with everything. Oh.
Okay, there you go. All done.
But I'm not done.
What?
I got a cleaning person.
A cleaning person?
Oh, God, my cleaning lady is away in Jamaica somewhere.
Unfortunately, I'm not a cleaning person, ma'am.
So I gotta get another.
Yeah. All right. Have a good day. No problem. All right. So, a lot of units are like that in some of the buildings we deal with. Very dirty. Maybe the people have mental illness. We really don't know. It's not really for us to say. But when you're dealing with a unit like that, you gotta ask yourself, are you gonna get sick going in it? I feel like I'm gonna be sick sometimes with some of these units we deal with. But nonetheless, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.